Temperatures will begin to rise as the spring season approaches. This also means pesky insects will start to make an appearance again. Consider putting down a broad-spectrum insecticide to keep spring pests like grubworms, chinch bugs, and other spring or summer pests away. If you put down a granular insecticide, be sure to water it in to help it get down into the soil. This should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. Grubworms are like little white grubs that feed on the roots of your grass, which can eventually kill an entire lawn. They are C-shaped and have 6 little legs located at the front of their bodies. Dying or a damaged area of grass may be caused by grubworms. Since the root system and plant bed have become weaker, grass may feel spongy or easy to lift up like a piece of carpet. A chinch bug, on the other hand, in its adult form is usually dark red, black, or brown in color with a white band across the middle of its body. Chinch bugs love feeding on the wide blades of St. Augustine grasses. They suck on the blades of grass and then inject the grass blades with poison in their saliva that stops water movement within the blade. This causes the grass blade to turn yellow and die. Chinch bug damage is often confused with drought damage for this reason. For more information on spring insect control in your lawn, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Palmetto and Citra Blue St. Augustine. If you have a different kind of St. Augustine, refer to our generic St. Augustine maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for St. Augustine lawns.